Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wise County in north-central Texas, southeastern Jack County in north-central Texas, northern Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm
Well,
was
but it didn't
located
activate.
near Proville,
Great.
moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Never mind.
Hazard, 65 miles per hour
Never
with
mind.
gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
Bruh.
and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Proville around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Springtown around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Briar and Reno around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pecan Acres, Rome, and Aurora around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adele, Easter, Witt, Advance, Cottondale, Keeter, G-Town, Agnes, Boonesville, and Alton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.